everybody, it's your girl Bella J. So you know that was just a little tune from Sean Paul. And I am here to bring you a project update. Whether it's sewing, whatever we're doing, I had to let y'all know because I have that new sewing machine. I have yet to do a review. That is coming. I don't want to just do, I already did the reveal. I want to get to know the machine. I don't want to be quick at it. So I've already started and I want to show it to you, what I've been doing. So this is the I Love Sewing. This is Love Sewing issue number 48. Okay, you see this project right here? That is what I'm working on. And trust and believe, I am new to quilting and this just started last year. But to really get into measurements, it's tricky. Crazy quilts doesn't matter. Anything goes. Wonky quilts, crazy quilts, crumb quilts, anything goes. Sorry, I am hot, it's sweaty, and we're cooking. So now fast forward, and now I would like to make this. So Brenda and I made a challenge. We're gonna do this. And it says right here, according to the instructions, that you have to cut the colored fabric scraps into a total of 19 4-inch squares and cut each of these on a half across the diagonal. Yo, I'm sweaty. I'm a hot mess right now. So I did it. I used this men's shirt. It was a sleeve. This is the bottom part. So I cut it up and then I used this pink type of fabric to offset it. So I have these squares. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that a nice contrast? I thought it was different. Listen, we're not supposed to even be going shopping, but I did buy some. I raised my right hand, and let me tell the truth. I bought some fabric. I actually did. But I'm not going to showcase it now because I'm waiting for the stuff from Etsy to come. Yes, I did. Bad, bad, bad Bella. I did it. However, now I did this. Let's see. The Missouri Quilting Company. I was watching her video. And I believe Darlene does it too. Where you just keep sewing across and you have this little chain. So, I'm doing this now. And we're going to cut it. So, I already did the pink. The two pinks and the gingham square, right? So now I decided to offset it with white. So now we're just going to cut it quickly. So I'm going to cut in the middle. That way you use less thread. It's a continuous chain. A snip is not going to kill you. And it's so quick and it's so fast and you just keep going. So it says, you saw what it said, I needed 19, right? Let's see if I have it. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, I made 20. And then I did the offset of pink and white, 2 here, 3, 4. So I have 4 of those. And I'm going to tell you why. When you look at this heart, you see right here? So you have a half pink and a half white. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 sets where it's just pink and white. And I figured that would be perfect. So I just followed the picture because it says also referring to the cushion photo, lay out the patchwork pieces and sew in rows. So that's what I'm doing. Let me tell you something. I'm beyond tickled pink. I am so proud of myself. And these are 3-inch squares. These are not 4-inch squares. These are 3-inch squares. A pattern is just a guideline, as Sharon, the Bronx Knitter, says. Sharon V of Moms with Yarns, also known as the Bronx Knitter. And I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Also, I was doing some extra quilting. I don't know what I did with the pieces. I was just cleaning up in here. So, oh, here they go. So, in the quilting realm, my quilters know out there, they press the seams, the back seam. So when you open the square up, you either press it open or you fold it on the side, right? Well, I like for it to lay flat, and I realized that I love doing this. I love sewing the seam down. So I sew the seams down. I don't want no bumpiness. I don't want to iron. I don't want to do anything. So I did it to all my little pieces that I did this morning, just a while ago. Just sewing pieces together, seaming it down, makes it so much easier. And this is another one. And I wanted to show something that I did some time ago. I don't remember ever showing this to you, but if I did, I just had to repeat it. Tell me this is not awesome. My craziest quilt ever. Technically, this needs to come out. This middle seam right here, because that's a big piece that can be utilized someplace else. So I am going to undo this with my trusty seam ripper, and I am going to utilize that someplace else. So I have some big pieces here. But that's just the biggest strip, and I want to use that in another manner. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. This is just a quilting update to let you know what I'm doing, how I'm utilizing my machine. Also, I'm utilizing my rotary cutter, and I forgot to close it. But this bad boy cut my finger today at work. And I also used my grid and carried this. This is my folding mat, and this is from Alpha. You get to carry it. So that's all I've been using. And I do have my peaking shears. I don't care for them. It actually hurts my knuckle. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up this video, comment below. Let me know what's good with you and what's the method to your madness in the quilting realm. Later.